Samoan word for today is faitete or faikeke, which means to be careful. As I put this up here, I made this by the way. Um, be careful because I'm way up high in this ladder. So it's funny hearing the word. My whole life it sounded like faikeke, which is like sounds like to make a cake. So anyway, speaking of cake, if you want to make the learning the Samoan language a piece of cake, check out the Midwestern Samoan Shopify store. The link is here in the bio, and you can find digital downloads to help make learning the language a piece of cake. And again, there's a special going on for one-on-one lessons. It's normally $150 a month. Right now, it's $100 a month for a 30-minute lesson a week, and you can also join the class every week. So again, check out the digital downloads. I'll be adding more as time goes on. So I'm trying to add at least 2 a week.